Sandy was so excited today. Her cousins were coming to her house after a long time to stay with them. But before that, Sandy was trying to finish a chapter on pronoun so that she could have a wonderful time with her cousins. Just then, Sam, her friend, come in.
Hi Sandy, what are you reading?
Hello Sam, I'm struggling with pronouns. Can you help me out?
Don't worry, I studied pronouns in my class yesterday. I will explain it to you.
Wonderful, Sam.
Sandy, a pronoun is used in a place of a noun. Let me show you an example. Sandy is a girl. Sandy loves reading.
But Sam, it doesn't sound good.
You are right. That's why pronoun is used. Now read these sentences. Sandy is a girl. She loves reading.
Now it sounds good.
Here pronoun she comes in a place of noun Sandy.
Lovely. Now can you tell me something about the other members of pronoun family?
Why not Sandy? Pronoun has a big family. They are personal pronouns. I, me, we, us, he, him, she. Possessive pronoun. Mine, our, yours, his and her. Demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those. Interrogative pronoun. What, who, which, whose, whom.
It's really a big family. Isn't it difficult to identify them?
Not at all, Sandy. You can identify them by their name. For example, personal pronoun is used in place of the names of people or things. Interrogative pronoun asks questions. Possessive pronoun tells about ownership or possession. The youngest family member. Demonstrative pronoun points out a particular person, thing, place or idea.
Wow, Sam, you are a genius. I tried my best to understand pronouns, but failed. You explained it so nicely. I understood it properly now. Thanks a lot.
It's okay, Sandy. You're my best friend. I like to help you. Can we play in the lawn now?
Yes, let's go.